Welcome, my name is Kara and I'm a type 1 diabetic. I was diagnosed in 2017 and 3 years later, it has taken me 3 years to understand my diabetes better and to learn a lot of tips and tricks that would have been super helpful in the early days. My mission is to reach out to other type 1 diabetic teens and to help encourage you and to give you resources like money saving tips and a whole bunch of other stuff that we will dive into later. With our help, you will get all of that good information, plus the best part, you get a new type 1 diabetic friend, which is me. I do have to say that we are not at all medical professionals, so if you have any doubts about anything that we tell you, please be sure to double check with your endocrinologist because they are trained to help you specifically. When I was first diagnosed, I would have absolutely loved all of this information. It would have let me know that there were people out there my age who had what I was dealing with and who knew what I was going through, and it would have been just nicer to have the information coming from a peer instead of older doctors or parents who you can't really relate to. So feel free to contact us if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, and we would love to hear from you. So this is Kara signing off. My blood sugar is currently 98. I'll catch you guys in the next video.